I got two tips, so as usual we just bring it back, just secure the wires, that's all. And right, next thing, we're gonna mount the inverter back. All right, the inverter is here, right? You see this? We're gonna mount it back, and the wire is here. It matches it. So basically, maybe this is easy for you to see it. Let me see. Not easy for me to do it. Easy for me. Okay, so let me see. We move out. You don't need screw anymore. So we're gonna mount it back here. We clean it a little bit. I'm gonna mount just like that. Okay. All right. So we disconnect the cable here. See that? Okay. Connect it right direct to here. Okay. It's secure. So I could do it either way. I could do like this. Stick it back in. Yeah. See, peel it off. I did it like this because it's easy for me to plug in that the backlights. I mean the LED strips. Those plug things pretty sticky. It's done. So now we had to mount it back, right? I'm sorry, I should show you this. So, the cable's like this. I'm gonna do it like this. Yep. I'm gonna tie this cable here. Sorry, you may not be able to see it, but I have to do this. I'll show it to you later. See, just tie it back, flick over. Okay, now we need to connect this too. Okay, so I need an extension key. Let me see, I might need an extension. No, I don't need to. Let me see, we plug in here. Yep, plug the plug in. I'm going to show you before I put the screen back. Oh, you see that? Plug it in. Now we put it, we screw the screen back. Alright. Okay. Everything's good. Yep. Everything is good. Okay. Screw back. Four screws. Oh, maybe this is a little bit easier. So 4 screws. Okay. All set. Just need to screw it back. But before we do that, I want to clean off some of my finger mark on the screen. That looks good. Okay. Now we're ready to put it back. And press up. See what happens. Okay. Now it's a little bit tricky part. I need to stick this thing right back to the same location. Let me see which method is better. Let me do it like this. I think it's better. Stick right back, then I flip over. Oops. Ooh. I forgot to clean on this side too. So stick the weaving cable on this side. And the slot right back. Yep. Flip over. Put some screw back. Okay. Just want to. Okay. Just put one screw on each side so that I can show you. Okay. Okay. Now I need to connect touchscreen back. So we remove this cover. Alright. I need to connect it back. Oh, shit. I think I got stuck with the cable, so I have to take it out again. I don't want to damage the cable. It'll get in between the screen to there, so I can pull out. I could, but I don't want to damage it just in case. Okay. Okay. Alright, just tip up a little bit here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Put it right back. Okay, show you. This is this cable. So we're gonna put it right back, push it right back, all the way. Now I need to put some secure plastic latch and then put the back cover